Mike-ish with MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on a 2019 Galeon 550 Fly. Just unloaded this one a couple weeks ago here in Baltimore Harbor. Starting at the back of the boat, we have a great submersible swim platform. Hydraulically drops down into the water. When the platform is down, these stairs do deploy, giving it very easy access to get in and out of the water, all the way back into the cockpit. So full galley on this 550 Fly. Freezer, refrigerator, lots of storage, full-size sink, 2-burner stove, Samsung microwave, really everything you come to expect in the Galeon. Main salon, lots of room, lots of light. I love the size of this table and seating area. If you wanted to put 8 people in here, you have that ability. Not to mention your television. Television pops up from behind here. Doesn't block the view unless you want to actually watch the TV. Moving forward towards the helm, we have full electronics on this one. Raymarine, of course. It's going to have your radar, GPS, autopilot, all integrated together. We did opt for the upgraded Seakeeper on this boat. You're really going to like that on the rough days. Of course, power on this boat, driven by the Volvo D11s. Great power, great torque, very easy to maneuver in tight situations. So as we move down towards the staterooms, we get this nice open airy atrium, which is entrance to the day head as well as all 3 staterooms. Full beam mid-cabin master stateroom gives you that nice full-size queen island style bed. You can walk all the way around it, makes it very easy to get in and out of as well as make up in the morning. Lots of light. Windows on either side with opening port lights. Open them both up, get a nice cross breeze. You can turn the air conditioners off. So it wouldn't be a master stateroom if it didn't have a master head. Vessel style sink, vacuum flush head, separate shower stall, opening port light. Really, you couldn't ask for much more. Natural light coming in from both the top and the sides. VIP stateroom, you do have a second head, access to it exclusively from the VIP stateroom and the day head. Island size bed, lots of headroom. Again, great storage, hanging lockers, closets everywhere. Being a 55-foot boat, we do get the bonus of having the 3rd stateroom. Good size space in here. Singles as it's set up, but you can also pinch it together to make a queen. Still get a hanging locker, opening port light. Really nice access to the bridge. Stairs, easy to climb up. You can also close it off if there's inclement weather. So for a 55-foot boat, this one has a really large bridge. We're going to start with a nice entertainment space. Just flip the top up here. You get a grill, hot and cold pressurized water, ice maker, and refrigerator. Again, you can really keep people up here for an extended amount of time and just take care of them, entertain them. Large seating area. Again, room for 10 people up here. Forward sun pad if somebody wants to lounge out. Makes that really simple, and you get a double wide helm seat, so the captain doesn't have to be by himself. He can have his mate right nearby. Retractable sunroof on this hardtop, so the center slides back and really gets you all the sun and wind in your hair that you're ever going to need on a nice day in the water. So of course, no bridge would be complete without having the upper helm. Upper helm station, full Raymarine electronics again, autopilot, Fusion stereo. If you haven't used Fusion before, it's very simple, user-friendly, easy to Bluetooth into your phone, put on your favorite tunes. You do have the Volvo Penta display here also, so you can see everything that's going on with the motors, whether you're talking about fuel burn, temperatures, exhaust temp, you name it, it's all available. Again, you're going to do a lot of driving from up here, probably a lot of docking because of the great visibility. So you do have full helm binnacle box, bow and stern thrusters, and motor controls up here as well. 2019 Galeon 550 Fly, Mike-ish with MarineMax Maryland. I hope you've enjoyed this video walkthrough. Please give us a phone call, stop on in. We'd love to take you for a sea trial.